Hello everyone, how are you? In today's video we will discuss about how to donate a car in California, USA. Donating a car in California, USA is a genius way to give back to your community while also benefiting from potential tax deductions. The process of donating a car is straightforward, but it's important to follow the necessary steps to ensure a smooth and impactful donation. Choose a reputable charity. Start by researching and selecting a reputable charity that accepts car donation. Look for organizations that are registered as 501c3 non-profits. As these status ensure that your donation is tax deductible. Charities like Goodwill, Salvation Army, and local food banks often have car donation program. Verify eligibility. Ensure that your car is eligible for donation. Most charities accept vehicles in various conditions, including running or non-running cars, as well as trucks, SUV, motorcycles, and even boats. However, it's a good idea to check with the charity about their specific requirements. Gather necessary information. Collect all the relevant paperwork for the car donation. This typically includes the vehicle title, registration, and any maintenance records. Make sure the title is properly signed over to the charity or their designated agent. Assert the value. If you are interested in claiming a tax deduction for your car donation, assert its value. The IRS allows you to claim a deduction equal to the fair market value of the car if the charity uses it for its operation or gives it to someone in need. You can use resources like the Cali Blue Book to estimate the car value. Arrange for pick or drop off. Depending on the charity, you can either schedule a pick of your car or drop it off a designated location. Many charities offer free towing services for car donation. This step is particularly important for your car is not in working condition. Obtain a donating receipt. After the donation is complete, make sure to obtain a donation receipt from the charity. This receipt is essential for claiming your tax deduction. It should include detail about the charity, your name, the vehicle description, and the date of the donation. In conclusion, donating a car in California is a straightforward process that involves selecting a reputable charity, ensuring eligibility, gathering necessary paperwork, assessing the value of potential tax benefit, arranging for pick and or drop off, and obtaining a donation receipts. Not only does this act of generosity contribute to charitable causes, but it also allows you to potentially receive tax deduction, make it win and win situation for both you and community you are supporting. I hope you like this video. Thank you very much.